So today I have with me one of my most favorite people in the world.
Hello everybody.
This is Farida Aunty. I'm sure you must be wondering I look much older than her. I still call her Farida Aunty, and actually I've been calling her Farida Aunty ever since we know each other, right?
Since you were born, yeah. Since you started talking.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we kind of grew up together. She is my aunt, but she's only 7 years older than I am. So it's not, the age difference is not massive. And when we are growing up, there was always this uncomfortableness where we would sometimes be out in public. And when I was kind of becoming a teenager, becoming burly, I was taller than her, and I would abruptly come from somewhere and say, "Hi, Farida Aunty." And she was like, "Oh my God, don't do this again." So I remember those
But
times.
I'm used to it now. It's okay. He's my baby. He's always going to be a baby for me.
So why I have Farida Aunty here? Okay, you don't know why you are here.
No, I don't know what's happening.
So
I'm
what-
really excited
Okay,
though.
so what's going on is I want to show you something that happens, thankfully not too often, but it happens once in a while in the scope of business we do. You know, I run the Little Helper cloth diapers, right?
Yes, as we all know
Yes,
about it.
yes.
Yes.
So once in a while it happens that we get returns.
Okay.
Okay? People send
Fair
back the
enough,
product,
yeah.
and we do all do it for various things. All of us, even producers, are also consumers. So we produce things, but we also consume things. And as we do with other companies, some things happen with us as well. So I just want to show you a small thing that happened. I want to capture your reaction. And now I'm doing this because a lot of my kind of morality and the way I do things, I think I've learned from the women in my family more than the men. And I'm thankful for that. So I want to see if Farida Aunty has the same take on it or not. Okay?
Okay.
So this customer bought bamboo wipes, zipper wet bag. This is a large wet bag where you can store your dirty diapers. 3 overnight inserts. And now I want to show you what they sent back.
Oh my God, it's no way close to the quality. I don't even have to touch it, but I can say this is not what you have sent it.
Yes. This is almost $100 worth of product that was sent out. Customer wanted a refund. I will not name them. The point is not to name or shame them. I don't really care. We really don't need the money. You can scam us all day and all night long.
I'm really surprised. You don't even have to hold it. You can look at it and say that this is not a product of Little Helper. You can
Actually,
just...
funnily, this is a Little Helper product from 8 years ago.
Really? Okay.
This is when we started the company. This was one of the products that this is one of our large inserts. So this person went through the trouble.
Of having this from she's kept it for last 8 years. Okay.
And she's probably gotten good use out of it as well, as you can see.
Because you can feel it that it's been
thoroughly
used. Yeah,
used.
because it's washed. You can see it.
Tons
you
of
know?
times.
Yeah,
as are all cloth diapers.
Yeah, you can see the material, and when you feel it, you can. In fact, you don't even have to feel it. When you look at it, you do realize.
What would be a message
yes.
for somebody like this?
Guys, I do understand we all are humans. Sometimes we're not happy with the product, but you don't have to put this kind of effort. It is not worth it. You don't have to be cheeky like this, You just have to be very open about it, because as I know Mohammed since he's been a child, what I love about him is he's very open to any suggestions. If you are a loyal customer, if you've kept it for 8 years, then obviously you do like the product. But you don't have to be like this, to get a refund or something like that, saying that you're not happy. This is not a very nice thing to do. So I would appreciate as a person if you be open about it and you actually write your feedback, but don't do like this. Otherwise what happens is your faith on people, this is it, you stop trusting people.
She took the packaging of our overnight inserts and put it on these 8-year-old Little Helper inserts.
But then Mohammed, I have to congratulate you for the quality. I mean, I thought she's got a cheap product which somebody who's trying to copy you. But for having this from last 8 years, so I think it's a compliment, bro.
A lot of people who they buy stuff from us. Once in a while they will say, "Oh, I want to return it because I need the money back for whatever reason. I've lost my job, this and that." So what we do is keep the product. We'll give you the money back as well. You pay us when you can, and if you can't, don't worry about that as well. Why? Because for us, it's like we think of Little Helper as a small cog in the large ecosystem of things. We are all together. We are all a family. You're not.
I think it's more about the family. When you're part of the family, we want to make sure that everybody is comfortable. That's very important.
And for me, I feel okay. So we don't treat our customers as the other. They are us. They are part of us. We are together in this. I always get kind of emotional about it because I really feel when I see people, and I thank our customers because it's not easy doing what we do with a face like mine, with a name like mine, and still we've come so far. So I am so grateful to my customers. This is also a customer of ours. She must have tried us when we were just starting off. So I'm actually grateful to her to try us out at that point where a lot of people tried us. So thank you for that at least. I know who you are, and again, don't worry, we're not going to call you, we're not going to name and shame you. Possibly you did this because you had to do it. So you owe the universe $100. Either you do it in sweat or money. Do not keep that bad karma lying around. If you're using the product and you're using it on your own child, make sure as soon as you can, as soon as you have the funds, make sure you give it to somebody. We don't need it. Lil Helper doesn't need it. We are doing well. And thank God for that. Give it to somebody who's in need. So that karma, you've paid your dues to the universe. That's it. So don't worry about this. This happened actually a couple of months ago. And when it happened, I was kind of angry. Not even angry, maybe amused more. And I also, when something like this happens, I don't actually openly discuss it in the company because sometimes I can't explain. We are a remote company. People all work from home from all around the world. And I don't want to bring the morale of my company down, the people who serve my customers. But I didn't make a video because I wanted to process it and then do it.
But see, I didn't know what was the video all about or what we're going to be talking. Now that I've heard the whole thing and why we are here, I personally think, Mohammed, you've put it so beautifully. The whole point is the karma. And when you are in the universe, whatever you do, you have to pay for it.
And for me, this is going to be like a souvenir for me. So don't even think that this is also wasted. So I hope you guys enjoyed our little thing together. Thank you again, everybody, for being wonderful. And thank you, Farida Aunty, for being
Thank you. It was my pleasure to be here today. I was nervous because this is my first video, but I really enjoyed myself.
You knocked it out of the park.
God bless you.
Bye, guys.
God bless you guys.